of the trees, a gentle breeze. The sun kisses the morning dew. Nature's symphony begins to play in the heart of the wilderness, so true. Softly flows the river's song, crystals dancing in the light. Birds take flight, oh how they soar in the canvas of the sky, pure and bright. Feel the calm, let the worries fade. With every note, let your spirit glide. Embrace the peace that nature gave. In this tranquil world, let your heart reside. Piano chords weave through the air, a violin's lullaby sweet and rare. Flute notes flutter like butterfly wings. Together they sing of the joy that life brings. Mountains stand tall, guardians of time. Their silent strength whispers wisdom sublime. Every rustle, every sigh, a testament that true beauty will never die. Underneath the stars' soft glow, moonlight dances on the street. In this enchanted land we flow in perfect harmony, like a dream. Feel the calm, let the worries fade. With every note, let your spirit glide. Embrace the